Today we're making a delicious and flavorful Singaporean rice. This is a perfect combination of spicy, savory, and crispy flavors. First, let's gather all our ingredients. We have carrots, capsicum, cauliflower, boneless chicken, rice, spaghetti. Chili sauce and soy sauce. Now that everything is ready, let's start preparing our delicious Singaporean rice. First, let's boil our spaghetti. Add the spaghetti to boiling water. Then add some salt for taste. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil so the spaghetti doesn't stick together. Let it cook until it's perfectly tender. Now, let's soak the rice for 20 minutes. After that, we'll boil the rice until it's perfectly cooked and fluffy. Now, heat some oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, we'll start preparing our chicken. Now, add 2 tablespoons of garlic to the hot oil and sauté it until fragrant. Now add the boneless chicken and cook it well until it turns golden and tender. Now add some cumin seeds, chopped onions, and fresh ginger. Now add half a teaspoon of salt. Now add half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Now add half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now add 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Mix everything well and let the flavors come together. Now heat some oil in another pan and add 2 tablespoons of garlic. Now add the long, thin carrot strips and stir-fry them for a few minutes. Now add the sliced cabbage and stir-fry it together with the carrots. Now add some black pepper, salt, and sliced capsicum. Mix everything well and stir-fry the vegetables for a few minutes. Now, add the boiled spaghetti and mix it well with the stir-fried vegetables. Cook everything together for a few minutes, allowing all the flavors to blend perfectly. Now, let's make the delicious sauce that will bring all the flavors together. Add 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 5 tablespoons of ketchup, and 2.5 teaspoons of black pepper. Now add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and mix everything well until the sauce becomes smooth and creamy. Our sauce is ready. Now, let's put everything together and make the final layers. First, add a layer of our boiled rice to the dish and spread it evenly. Next, add a layer of our delicious spaghetti and spread it evenly over the rice. Finally, add the chicken on top as our final layer spread it evenly over the spaghetti. Now pour our delicious creamy sauce over the top and spread it evenly. This will make our Singaporean rice extra flavorful and creamy. And our yummiest Singaporean rice is ready. Look at those beautiful layers. Serve it hot and enjoy every delicious bite. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching.